today is our first day with our food truck out for Hamilton City Schools, and we are at Milliken Woods. We are offering lunches to anyone 18 and under, and adults we are also offering for a small fee. We have chili dogs, or you can just get a plain hot dog. We also have pulled pork sandwiches with a corn salad or baked beans, and of course milk. This is a great benefit. It allows us to interact with our community during the summer. It allows us to continue the healthy eating habits that we promote in our schools. So in our schools, we promote healthy eating by offering fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean meats. And we offer those same items here on the food truck, and it keeps that habit going throughout the summer. That healthy eating that we promote in the schools, it helps boost our moods, so we stay alert, we stay calm, we stay confident, happy, smart, and strong. We like to partner with different community organizations. This year, the Lane Public Library is going to follow us to each location, and they'll be here so you can check out books, you can get a new library card, and do summer reading programs with them. We're going to be at different parks throughout the summer on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and we are rotating. So I invite all parents, grandparents, and students out to our parks this summer to enjoy a great meal and have fun.